Hello, good to see you guys. Hello, I don't know if you can actually hear me. Hopefully you can. Hopefully you can. Hopefully you can. Alright, I'm gonna assume you guys can hear me. Okay, let's go. So today, the plan is that we're gonna code something that could work for two different characters. I'm gonna assume you guys can hear me. For my Scuff Marvel series. So I'm going to try and code a rebounding arrow that I could also retexture to being a shield for Captain America and Hawkeye to both use. Okay, let's go. I think I've got a plan on how I'm going to do it. Plan is that we're going to basically, if we hello Stream Charger, thanks for being the only guy here. For my so the plan is if we make I'm gonna try and code a rebounding arrow a texture to being a shield for Captain America and Hawkeye to both use thing that can tell when a mob gets hit. I think then at the same time we can then launch another one of those arrows at the nearest mob. Then when that hits, it will realize it hits and launch a new mob, and we can just repeat that dealing damage if we make launching arrows between mobs, and it will hopefully look like it's a rebounding arrow slash shield. And then, if we can do that, we could try and make it work for blocks. Then when that hits, it will realize it hits and launch a new mob, and we can just repeat that dealing damage if we make launching arrows between mobs, and it will hopefully look like it's a rebounding arrow slash shield. And then, if we can do that, we could try and. Yeah, sorry about that, Stream Charger. I think it should be better now. But this does also mean that I'm not watching my own stream anymore, so I don't know what's going on. So you're gonna have to definitely tell me if something's happening. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do, I think that the number one thing we do is we copy the Hawkeye bow so that we have a bow that can tell when it's hit a mob. And then from there, I have some plans on how we're going to do the rest. Let me move the coding somewhere you can see it. One sec. Hopefully you can see that. So here's the plan coming into action. First, we need to update the project. Then I would like to grab the Hawkeye bow. Get Hawkeye bow command executor. Hello, whoever just joined. Sorry if I'm late to say that. There's a delay on the stream. We're coding a rebounding arrow, and they're gone. Stupid stream lag means that no one wants to watch. It's nice to have one person, but yeah, I understand. It's not interesting. If you don't know what's going on immediately, you just click off. Anyway, I don't want to bore the people actually watching. So we're going to do get rebounding weapon, rebounding weapon. Command executor. Hello, the goose. If you're not already gone, good to see you. We'll name it rebounding bow for now. How are you doing, the goose? How's your day been? Rebounding name into that. I've not been coding for ages, by the way. If it seems like I'm not, hyper expert at this, I'm still learning. But hopefully we can learn together, and you'll learn something as well. But I don't know what I'm doing. I'm using IntelliJ, and it's Java, it's the language that we're writing in. Hopefully that answers your question. Yeah, that's good. Why didn't that rename? Refactor just means rename, by the way. It's just it does it for every instance of it in my code, which makes it much easier. If you're interested, I'm running a paper MC server. What? What's your problem, huh? Yeah. Don't want that. I don't know why it's freaking out. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe it's running in a different class. It doesn't like that I'm trying to refactor it. I'm not sure what's going on there. Oh, there we go. It's showing us where it's running. So it's there. Why aren't you happy? I'm so confused. Oh, okay, it just didn't like refactoring. That's kind of worrying though, because that probably means that it's somewhere else in the code that I need to change it, but now I don't know where. By the way, if you're here and you could like the stream, that would be great. because I think that it does actually really help get it to more people. It's lovely to have 4 people watching instead of no one, even if one of them's me. Okay, and then we're gonna need a Hawkeye bow runnable. Is in here that it's calling it? Yeah, right. So here it's calling it. So if we just change that, then hopefully everything will be alright. So again, we're just gonna copy past all that and name it to rebounding bow runnable. Add the file to Git. Change this to be shot from rebounding bow. Oh, and then of course we need to change the command executor is looking at to get that variable from. Shot from rebounding bow. There we go. How are you guys doing, by the way? Just out of interest. Everyone, alright? I don't know what to say. Okay, so at the moment, what is everything doing? So the get Hawkeye bow is just making a bow. If it sounds like I don't know my own code, it's because I'm coding it with someone else. So this is the bit that they've done, and I'm just reading it for the first time. Okay, so no bully. But okay, so we're getting every nearby arrow, and we're getting every nearby entity, and for every arrow.
So it doesn't do a great deal at the moment, that bit of code.
Yeah. And for every arrow, it's just finding every arrow shot from the bow.
So the idea was that it would try and home in on the nearest entity, like it was heading towards. But if you now look at the code is in what is it called? Damage. I think it's in the damage code, which is higher up. It checks to see.
I don't know whether
The
you can
damage
hear.
listener.
There's someone else in now explaining their code.
And then if you look in here, it checks to
Right.
see whether someone's been hit by an arrow from the Hawkeye bow.
Where? Oh, here. Okay.
So it adds this flag to the persistent data container whenever you shoot.
Persistent data container. Okay. Right, so if I want to make it so that it recognizes when I shoot it from a rebounding bow and it hits someone.
You would probably do a similar thing. So if you look at the entity shoot bow listener, it's listening to see whether you shot it from. So that's the blowgun, right? That we used
Okay.
already. And then there's another one that checks to see whether it shot it. And so for this one, so for the blowgun, I think it gives it a poison effect.
Right.
And then for the Hawkeye bow, it just adds this tag, so a simple bite with a name.
Alright. That's cool.
Yeah.
Alright,
That's how you
so
would store
just
data.
here, I need to change that stuff to being
That whole.
rebounding bow. And then would you prefer me to do it as a persistent data? How do you think I should do it? I need it to be when it hits the player. When it hits a mob, it spawns a new arrow that goes towards the nearest
It's
mob.
quite a good way of doing it. Is to just create. So you would create a similar. You could do it the same way, right? Just a different flag, just a single byte that you set to 1, and then you can check for it. If you want it to affect all the arrows that are shot from the rebounding bow.
Rebounding bow name. Shot a rebounding bow.
And then you want to change the name of the flag. So you're going to want to add that flag to your rebounding bow. Similar flag.
I've already done that, I think. Get rebounding. Yeah. Like that. And that's it.
Yeah, and then you're just setting a single byte to be 1, like a flag.
Okay, so then where do we read that from?
Hold on, you definitely put it.
There's a thing here that's like.
Yeah, cool. You've given it a different, yeah, so obviously
different key.
Yeah.
So then where did we read that
That was in
from?
the
It was in the.
when you're trying to do something quite tricky. It was in the
That's fine.
entity damage listener, I think. So then it's listening.
It's listening for a bow shot.
Well, it's listening. So that gets.
We switched mics, weren't we? I'm gonna sound really bad now. So, if my voice now sounds terrible, sorry. My headphones are out of charge. So where we're at, if you didn't catch that, is that we've got a new message for when you're shooting an arrow from this bow, and then here we need to listen for it causing damage, and then we can make sure it was actually shot from that bow using the thing we coded earlier, and then we can make it run what we want it to with spawning a new arrow and shooting it at the nearest entity. I think. That's the plan. By the way, if you're watching, can you just type something in chat? You can literally type something. I'm just interested as to who's watching the stream. Or you can do something more exciting if you'd like. I don't really mind. Just want some proof that someone's watching. Don't have to though. Shot from rebounding bow. And then shot by rebounding bow. Hello. Thank you. I knew you were gonna do that. Rebounding. And then instead of this, are we meant to have changed that? No, I don't think so. So this needs to be rebounding by fly. And then that needs to be rebounding by 5. And then the difficult bit is going to be now we need to change this to instead shoot an arrow from this entity. How about we first of all see if this is working? So we're going to want to... Hello, whoever just joined. I don't know who you are. And sorry if I'm late to say this because there's loads of lag on my stream at the moment. But it's good to see you. Stick around, we're coding a rebounding bow that could be used for Hawkeye or Captain America in the future into Minecraft. Right, so then in EO plugin, it's called Evolving Origins at the moment. I don't know why. Don't ask. Drop a like on the stream, by the way. I'm gonna keep saying that because, you know, I need the likes. I need to know that I'm doing a good thing. Unless you don't like the stream, unless you don't, then honestly you don't have to. But if you are enjoying the stream, please leave a like. Thank you very much. Okay, and then I think it's in target. No, it's not. It's in test. No, it's not. It's called plugin.yml, but I don't remember where it is. There we go. Okay, and then yeah, the Infinity Stones was what we did last video. Go and watch that if you haven't already. Okay. No, sorry, rebounding. So, give the player rebounding. So, in case you're wondering, you are, like, I know that in some of my earlier videos, I said, like, you know, you're going to be able to play all of this stuff, and you might be a little bit skeptical because I haven't done that yet, but I promise, pinky promise, you are going to be able to play it eventually. It's just not, like, the quickest thing in the world to set up a server that I feel comfortable letting anyone use, okay? But it is happening. It's happening. I promise. I pinky promise it's happening. Just not, you know, immediately. Alright, let's boot up the server and we can see whether... So it's not going to rebound yet, but hopefully it should do the same thing as the Hawkeye bow with the rebounding bow. And that will tell me that I've managed to copy everything right into a new body. And then once we're there, we can then add on the new stuff to it. Hello, whoever just joined. I've got no idea who you are. Sorry if this is lag. I'm saying this to everyone who joins. We're coding a rebounding bow into Minecraft. It could be used for something like Captain America or Hawkeye. If you've been watching the Scuff Marvel series, you'll know what I'm talking about. I'm just loading into Minecraft what I've already done, and hopefully it should currently just insta-kill whatever you shoot it at. But in the future, like, we're going to change it to being rebounding. Okay, so, for the time being, well, that's okay. That's disappointing. What happened? I don't know what's happening, okay? This is part of coding. Don't worry, Copium. It's trust in the process. That's what I always say. Yeah. Ah, well, that would cause the problem. This isn't the same server. Huh? Right on. Okay, now I'm confused. This is meant to be going straight into downloading my plugin onto this server, but it looks like it's not. That means that it's not working. Okay. Great. Alright. Give me a sec. Oh. I don't know. Right, so it's installing it here. Is that actually where I want it? If we look at the server that I'm loading and the plugins, is that the right file? I don't know. Do you know what's happening? Yeah. Big rip. All 4 viewers. It's fair enough. I understand. Right.
It's cool what you know. Whatever you got to do.
So I tried to make like the rebounding bow just so that it was like exactly like the Hawkeye bow.
Yeah,
and then I did.
Call it get rebounding bow, right?
Yeah. That might be the problem.
You need to check the EO plugin. Yeah, okay.
That might be why. Oopsie. Foopsie.
It's cool what you're doing.
But the other thing was that
on your stream. Yeah.
it wasn't like showing up. Like I did the install, and then you know how usually in the Minecraft chat it's like reloading.
Yeah, have a look at the server window. Somebody's
Somebody's
asking something. Right? Yeah, so there was a problem. So there's your problem, right? You might want to maximize that window. It's telling you that it tried to run something.
What's going on?
Do a / reload space confirm. No. Might not need the slash.
Doesn't seem.
Okay, so that seems happy.
What was wrong?
Let's put it again.
No, that's delayed. Yeah. Well, it's working now.
That's cool. I mean, what you're trying to do is quite hard.
Okay. So now the next step is to make an arrow shoot out of whatever you hit. And that's the difficult bit.
Yeah, I've got another call.
Okay.
Your key programmer's got to go.
Yeah. Yeah. Wouldn't want to.
So I don't think the arrow goes anywhere. So I think that you can repurpose the arrow. When the arrow hits someone, you get that event. The arrow doesn't get destroyed.
Oh.
You've got the code you need to see nearby entities. There are some There are interesting things on entity. I think where you can ask for the direction to it. You can set the velocity on the arrow, but it's quite tricky.
Basically, we just need to get the direction that the nearest mob is in.
Yeah.
And then set velocity in that direction.
Yeah, with a little bit of upwardsness.
Upwardsness. Okay. But I don't know how to do that. Okay.
You're doing something that's quite challenging.
First of all, let's try and get the nearest mob. Okay, we need to get the nearest mob. That's the plan. But I don't really know how I'm going to go about doing that. So I think we could start by looking in here, where I remember that in here, because we do get the nearest. No, we don't. What am I doing? In here. Yeah, in here. This is where we get all of the nearest entities. So if we take that, hello whoever just joined, we're making a rebounding bow in Minecraft, and then we put that there, and then we delete all of this. How do you make a player? Okay, so if we just put that. We just put that there. This thing is sometimes so irritating. There we go. Okay. So, why is that still? Basically, the first thing we need to do is find out which entity got hit, which we must be able to do, right? Because damaged entity is what it's called. So if here we make it okay, so we make this damaged entity we make this just like 10 10 10. And then we still need to get a player and a world in the top here. So if we do private final player, how are we doing it in the other? We're getting a player in other places. So that must be private final player P. Yeah, there's like all that I'm doing in the other places is just doing that. So I don't understand why here that's not happy. Coding's so annoying sometimes. Am I importing something? Oh, I must be importing stuff. So do I not import org.bucket.entity.player here? That's why. Import org.bucket.entity.player. Semicolon. What do you mean cannot resolve? You resolved it fine here. It's a capital B. Coding's so irritating sometimes. .player. What do I mean sometimes? Coding's irritating all the time. And then import org.bucket.world. Capital. Not triple K. I am literally going to stab my computer. Okay, right. Now, finally, if we come back down here. No, we can't do that yet. If we go back up here. Private final player. Why does that not work? What the? Huh? Huh? What do you mean it might not have been initialized? How? I'm so confused. What if I put it here? What the hell have I done? Right, what do you think the problem is? Sure, does that make you happy? Is that all I had to do? Are you kidding? I'm going to freaking stab this private world. Right, there we go. And now, if we come back down here, can we please make this world .get nearby entities? And then that's player. And everything's fine. Okay. Finally. And then just in here. What did I just do? Why did it make more brackets? I don't want more freaking brackets. Okay. Calm. And then in here, we put Control C, Control V. Set damage, living entity. How do we do it down here? Hey, there are 5 people watching again. Good to see everyone. How have you been? I'm making a rebounding bow, and I literally am like about to have a mental breakdown. But me when we go back down to 3 people. Why are you like this? I swear, people literally just turn up to make me happy, and then they literally just get the heck out of here. Oh my word. I don't know what I'm doing. What about this, huh? Okay, if we copy that, and then we put that in there. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I mean, I guess we'll see what happens. Wait, why is it unhappy? No. What's happening? Oh no. Just put in it. Okay, it's fine. Do I need chat overlay? I mean, there is literally 1 person talking and 2 viewers. So yes, but not until I actually need it, I would say. I don't know if it's working. I mean, it's like working to the extent that it's not doing the other thing anymore. Which is kind of good, I guess. Yay! It's damaging everything around it, I think. It is! Oh, that's so cool. Wait, I just had the best idea. Oh, I just had the best idea. Oh, I just had the best idea. Okay, lads. Hold your horses. 1 second. God damn, that's satisfying. I'm there for it. Wait. Yeah, boy. Oh. That's so satisfying, bro. Bro, I should literally be like Fundy. Fundy thought he made Minecraft satisfying. Look at this. This makes me so happy. I don't know why. Oh, that's so good. Yes. I don't even know if I want to change this anymore. I'm so happy with it. I've got to sound strong. Okay. Good. Very good. I would argue that was pretty sexy. I think I spent way too long shooting stuff. Everyone's gone. I was just taking some time to enjoy what I've done. Anyway, now that I've finished doing that, how do we shoot an arrow from one entity to another entity? Let's look it up online. Welcome to Google. Or should I say ChatGPT? With the give me the Java code to make one entity shoot an arrow at another entity in Minecraft. ChatGPT is literally my god and savior. No, not book it, you dumb We know it is book it. What? The AI is smarter than me by like a long way. Do you reckon that anyone on my Discord's ever gonna like show up except for a stream chat, or is it just gonna be me and him? Yeah, okay, we get it. That's all you had to say. Shoot arrow, shoot a target. That can't be. It can't be that simple, right? So I need to import something. Can I not just copy that? Wait, they must have made that, right? Yeah, it's here. Okay. OpenAI hard carry. So if I just take that and put that like down here at the bottom. Don't need so many freaking brackets. Then you're telling me that I can just come up here and just be like, shoot, arrow, and then be like, damaged entity, comma, how do we do the nearest entity again? No. No. I'm alone. No, I hate it. Oh, why? Cruel, cruel world. Yay! Someone's here again! I hate being alone in my stream. It makes me feel like an absolute muffin head. Huh? Why? Wait a minute. OpenAI. You through. There we go. Why can't I? What do you mean? No. Why? Huh? That doesn't make any sense. Why? So, hold up. So when this is a player, wait, what? Launch. No, you're kidding. Fudge. Fudge. Why the hell does it only work with players? I don't know how to fix that. I won't lie. I'm not gonna lie and say that I've got an idea how to fix this. Right. For now, how about we just see what happens when I do this? And if I change this to being... I have no idea what this is gonna do. Absolutely no idea. Like, I've basically lost track of what the hell is going on at this point. But I'm like 90% sure it's gonna be extremely satisfying, and that's all I really care about. No, that's not. That's not. That's not extremely satisfying. That's not extremely satisfying. No, I'm not. I'm not. No, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Not happy. I freaking wish that OpenAI just had like 2 brain cells. Because then, if this could just work, then it would work. But it can't because this won't take an entity. We're going back to OpenAI and seeing whether I missed something. What is this doing? Is the real question. How do you tell if you can? I'll be top. Can be right here. I'm gonna say, doing. I think that we need to get some background music. I think that that's one of the things that's not going so well. I think I'll do that for next stream though, because I don't know what I'm doing at the moment. You know what? Yeah, but that doesn't. Oh. Oh, I'm so stupid. No, I'm not. I think that's what I was doing, and it was like error. Huh? ChatGPT. You're looking kind of stupid now, aren't you, Dumbo? See, it doesn't work. ChatGPT is dumb. So if that code doesn't work, because it says logins not use. Shoot projectile. I tried that. Exactly, it does not work. Huh? Well, that's way more complicated. Wait, that seems like it might work better for what we want to do. I'm peeved. I mean, I know that I'm basically cheating, so it's not really fair anyway. It's fine. Everything, like, all of the stuff knows what it's doing. How does the stuff know what it's doing? I don't know. What is it mad at? What is it mad at? Where's the error? I see no freaking error. It's fine, we'll just install it and then it will tell me where the error is. I will say... Oh. Happy now? I hate brackets. I don't think I'm going to be able to look at brackets the rest of my life after doing some coding. Still, lads. This could be big progress. I don't know what it's going to do. I have absolutely no clue whatsoever what's going to happen. Huh? What? What? Did you see that? Nah, bro, that was hella satisfying. Wait. Wait. We need to do it with less zombies so I can actually see what's going on. It's trying. It's just not doing a very good job. Like, it's definitely shooting arrows. It's just shooting them straight down. Oh. Okay. Good progress. Uh-huh. Can I make, like, the shooter location... Like here, shooter location. Like, how do I change that? If in doubt, ask OpenAI. Yeah, I know that, but like, what's the syntax, you dumbo? Because I think it's using some sort of array where it's got the X, Y, and the Z is the problem. Why do you have to write out the code again? Look, it's fine. See, like, it's set X. That's what I mean. So we want that bit of code. But instead we could use we can use Y. To move it 2 blocks up. Which means it should shoot out of its head, so it should actually hit something. Hopefully. This is going to be really freaking satisfying. And then hopefully we can then make the arrow shoot more arrows when it hits. That's the plan. There we go. And then they're all attacking each other. Okay, that is weird. That's kind of working though. It's definitely shooting arrows at all of the nearby zombies. Okay. Okay, now I think I just want to make it so that it shoots it. So that this arrow it's shooting has the same tag, so that it shoots more arrows, and also so it doesn't shoot itself. So I'm going to start by making it not shoot itself. So we're shooting from the damaged entity to here. But this also needs to be... I think if we just do another double and then exclamation mark entity dot equals damage entity. Okay, no. Huh. What do you mean I can't apply an and to a boolean? Why not? Oh, I just put it in the wrong place. So there are 3 people watching. I'm like really happy if there are actually 3 people genuinely watching. That's really cool. Thank you guys. Okay, so hopefully, yes. Oh, that's so cool. I don't even really want to make it hit only one person now. That's so cool. That's so cool. Okay. And now I just want to make it so that the arrow it shoots has the same thing as like this recognized. So if we come back up here,
Are you still streaming? Meant to come and say hello.
I'm still streaming, but I could pause it in a second.
Well, we're probably wrapping up, so you need to be.
Yeah, like 2 minutes. Oh, we're applying it here, aren't we? Yeah. So if we just take this, and then we go into here, and then we go here, install that. And I think, boys, if this works, I'm gonna head out. But it's been a really good stream. It's been great to see you guys. I think that worked. This might crash my laptop if it works. Oh god. Okay, mistakes were made. We might need to make it only mob, one mob, slash kill a guys. Oh, we're so screwed. Yeah, okay. Okay, bye. I'm gonna end the stream.